Hello everyone, and welcome back to Marin English Lab, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Liam.
And I'm Olivia. We're really happy to have you here today.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone learning English. It helps our channel grow a lot.
Alright, Liam, are you ready for today's topic?
I am. And it's a very important one. Today, we're talking about a question everyone hears. Tell me about yourself.
This question sounds easy. But for many English learners, it's actually stressful.
Exactly. You hear it at a new job, in class, or when meeting new people. And suddenly, your mind goes blank.
So today, we'll show you how to answer this question. Naturally, clearly, and without pressure.
No long speeches. Just real, useful English.
Okay, Liam, let's practice. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. Let's keep it simple. My name is Liam. I'm from the United States. I live in a small town, and I'm an English teacher.
See? That already sounds great. Clear and friendly. Let me try. My name is Olivia. I'm from Canada. I live in a big city, and I'm a student.
Perfect. You don't need to say everything, just the basics.
And if you want to say more, you can add one personal detail.
For example, where you live.
I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but I love it.
I live in a small town. It's quiet and relaxing.
Different lifestyles, but both answers feel natural.
You can also talk about what you do.
I'm a student. I study art because I love drawing and painting.
And I'm a teacher. I enjoy helping people feel confident in English.
To show your personality, talk about what you like.
I like pizza, dogs, and playing soccer with friends.
I love pasta, cats, and painting on the weekend.
You can even say what you don't like.
Right. I don't like waking up early.
And I don't like waiting in long lines.
That's real life English, simple, honest, and friendly.
So remember, when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," it's not a test.
It's an invitation to share a little about who you are.
Choose what fits the situation. Your name, your job, your hobby, or why you're learning English.
Short answers are okay. Natural answers are better than perfect answers.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Go to the comments and write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself.
Thanks for learning with Marin English Lab.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, and enjoy your English journey.